How to increases VRAM on Windows? For this first step, increases virtual memory. Search for run and type the following text sysdm.cpl. Click OK. A pop-up will appear. System properties. Click advanced option. Under performance, click settings. One more time, click advanced. Virtual memory, click change option. You have seen the automatic manage paging file size for all the drives are there. It should be in enable. If it's disabled means you need to enable it. Click apply on OK and restart it. Click restart now. Once restart complete, after move on with next step. Close background application. For this, open up task manager. Click startup apps. Disable the startup application which you are not using. Important thing, don't disable the inbuilt application. Come to next step. Search for device manager. Click it. Click display adapters. Update the graphic drivers. You can check the drivers here. After checking, go to browser. Go to the official website of the driver, download and install the latest version. That is one method. And you can simply right click it and click update drivers. So these are the two methods. After completing, close it and come to next step, enable game mode. Click settings. Click gaming settings. Click game mode. And make sure the game mode it should be in enable mode. Make sure it. If it's disabled means you can enable it. Once enable complete, after click system settings. Scroll down, click display settings. Scroll down, click graphic settings. Add your game if it's not listed. You can click the add desktop app and add it. If it's not listed, click it and add it. After adding, for example, I'm choosing one application. Here you have seen the GPU preference. You can set it as high preference. Depends on you. You can set it as. And come to optimization of Windows games. It should be in turn on mode. Make sure it. After completing the last and final step, search for run and type the following text. Clean MGR. Click OK. Select the drive. And you need to check the files you want to delete. Verify it and click OK and click delete files. Once complete, after restart your device. Thank you.